In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock an email in Outlook. First, log into your Outlook account. Once you're logged in, locate and click on the gear icon in the upper right corner of the screen to access your settings. This icon is used to open the settings menu for your account. After clicking on the gear icon, you'll be directed to a page where you can modify various settings for your account. The first thing you need to do is make sure you are in the Mail section on the left-hand side of the page. This section contains all the settings related to how you manage your emails. Next, scroll down until you find the option labeled Junk Email. Click on this option and it will open up a list of all the email addresses and domains that you've blocked in Outlook. If you see an email address or domain that you want to unblock, simply hover your mouse pointer over it. This will reveal a trash bin icon next to the blocked email or domain. Click on this icon to remove it from the blocked list. Once you've removed the email address, don't forget to click Save option to confirm the changes. After you save the changes, the email address will be unblocked. Going forward, you will be able to receive emails from that address or domain without any issues. This is a straightforward way to unblock an email in Outlook, ensuring that you don't miss important messages.